The 1960s marked the beginning of artificial intelligence. It was a time of great excitement and promise. Scientists dreamed of creating machines that could think like humans. One of the earliest milestones was ELIZA in 1965. ELIZA was a chatbot. It simulated a Rogerian psychotherapist. ELIZA showed the potential for human-like communication with machines. Another key development was Dendrel in 1972. Dendrel was an expert system. It was designed for chemical analysis. It used rules to identify organic molecules from their mass spectra. Dendrel demonstrated the power of AI in a specific domain. During this era, AI programs used reasoning as search. They solved problems methodically. However, they faced a challenge called combinatorial explosion. The number of possible solutions could grow too large. To address this, scientists developed heuristics. Heuristics are mental shortcuts that help narrow down the search space. Despite the challenges, the early days of AI laid the foundation for future advancements. Researchers made significant progress in understanding how to represent knowledge, reason logically, and learn from data. These early efforts paved the way for the development of more sophisticated AI systems in the decades to come. The 1980s saw a period of reduced funding and interest in AI research. This period is often referred to as the AI winter. Despite this setback, progress continued in some areas. Expert systems, which had emerged in the 1970s, gained traction in specific industries. These systems were designed to mimic human experts in narrow domains. The 1990s witnessed a resurgence of interest in AI. This renaissance was driven by several factors. These include the increasing availability of data, advances in computing power, and the development of new algorithms. The field of machine learning gained prominence. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Natural language processing, or NLP, also made significant strides. NLP focuses on enabling computers to understand and process human language. This period saw the development of early chatbots and language translation systems. Computer vision, which enables computers to see and interpret images, also emerged as a major area of AI research. The 21st century ushered in an era of unprecedented progress in AI. The rise of big data, coupled with advances in computing power, fueled the development of deep learning. Deep learning is a powerful type of machine learning that involves training artificial neural networks with multiple layers. Deep learning revolutionized AI. It enabled machines to learn complex patterns from massive data sets. This led to breakthroughs in areas such as image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding. One of the most significant developments in recent years has been the emergence of generative AI. Generative AI can create new content such as text, images, audio, and video. This has opened up a world of possibilities in various fields, from art and entertainment to healthcare and education. Generative AI is powered by large language models, or LLMs. LLMs are trained on massive data sets of text and code. They can generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. The future of AI is bright. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications across various industries. One area of great promise is personalized AI. Personal GPTs, or AI-powered personal assistants, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. These assistants can learn our preferences, anticipate our needs, and provide us with personalized experiences. AI is also transforming healthcare, finance, transportation, and many other sectors. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier, and provide personalized treatments. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and provide investment advice. As AI becomes more powerful and ubiquitous, it's crucial to consider its ethical implications. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. The journey of AI from the 1960s to the present day is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a story of dreams, setbacks, and triumphs. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, one thing is certain: the future holds endless possibilities.